हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ मिस म्याऊ।
A for alligator, big and strong. B for bear who walks along. B for cat, soft and sweet. E for dog with happy feet. E for elephant, huge and tall. F for fox, clever and small. H for giraffe, neck so high. H for horse, running by. I for iguana, green of tree. J for jellyfish, swimming free. K for kangaroo, jump so fast. L for lion, king at last. M for monkey, swinging around. N for new, crawling around. O for owl, hoots at night. P for penguin, black and white. Q for quail, tiny and shy. R for rabbit, hopping by. S for snake, slithering low. For tiger, with stripes that show. U for unicorn, magical and bright. V for vulture, soaring in flight. U for whale, big and blue. X for X-ray fish, swimming too. I for yak, furry and strong. Z for zebra, stripes all along. Now we know our ABC, animal friends from A to Z.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मिस म्याऊ के चैनल को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलना। और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब भी जरूर कर देना।